So we looked at this quantity called distance, and distance had a magnitude only. It was just a number and some units. And that's something that we call a scalar. On the other hand, we had something called displacement, and that had a magnitude and a direction. And we call something that has both a magnitude and a direction a vector. So when Chikizy went from one place to another, there were two ways to describe his motion. We could talk about the distance that he traveled, that would be a scalar, or we could talk about his displacement, which was his final position minus his initial position, and we had to include a direction. So scalars that you might see in physics would be mass, time, temperature, and energy. These are all things that are just numbers with units. They don't have a direction. While some examples of vectors that you might see in physics would be force, velocity, acceleration, and momentum. As you continue to study physics, you'll see additional examples of both scalars and vectors.